Hey guys, what's going on? It's Pictory. I like to do Winning Wednesdays because I like to celebrate wins, big and small. I used to post a lot of very small wins on my channel when I was a student in YouTube Mastery, and I would tell people about 1 of 10 videos I had and all that kind of stuff. So I like to do things because small wins turn into big wins. And I've recently experienced a very big win working with Matt. I had my first $11,000 month just from selling one set of products. Great win, $25,000 a month in total for me. So I decided to celebrate that win talking to you guys, but I also decided to treat myself a little bit. So that is what's in this massive box. Some of you will notice what this is. Some guys like to collect watches. I like to collect wrestling belts. I believe if you work hard, you should play hard. And so, can't think of a harder way to play than with my own. It's been a while since I've gotten one of these. My own WWE World Championship. No, this is the WWE Championship, not the World Championship. What do you guys think? Acknowledge me. No, I'm just playing. I'm done.